Good day, eh? Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm just going to explain today basically what we're going to be doing over the next little bit here. So I've decided I'm going to release a Friday and a Saturday video. So Friday videos are going to be Raspberry Pi, Raspbian OS, or whatever Raspberry Pi tips and tricks that I can come up with. With that being said, if you have any Raspberry Pi, Raspbian OS tips and tricks that you really enjoy, make sure to post in the comments section below and let me know what they are. As well as on Saturdays, we will be doing programming with Python in PyCharm on the Raspberry Pi. And we'll be bringing together a bunch of different projects and making some really cool things, but we'll take it at a really slow learning pace. So coming up on that, we have, I think we might have actually had an episode air already, but we do have stuff going on with that as far as working with different sensors and doing a bunch of different things to interact with the Raspberry Pi and the GPIO. So once again, make sure if you have any comments for any projects or anything like that that you'd like to see done when it comes to programming with Python on the Raspberry Pi, let me know. I'd be curious to find out. So with that being said, that's going to be it for me for today. I just wanted to let you guys know where we're going with the channel in the upcoming months here. We're going to be doing a lot of cool projects, and we'll even start to do other things as well. Maybe I'll get some live streams going and we can have some fun with that. Try to play with some projects. Even play with some Arduinos and a bunch of other stuff as well in the live streams. And other than that, that's about all I have for today. So stay tuned, everyone. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for a lot more Raspberry Pi coming your way. So remember, if you have any cool projects that you'd like to see done on the Raspberry Pi and the GPIO, let me know below. Do you have any Raspberry Pi, Raspbian OS tips and tricks that you'd like to share with us? Post them in the comments section below. If I use your tip or trick on an episode, I will put you in a draw for the end of the year where you'll be able to win some cool prizes. Details on that coming soon. So thank you for watching, everyone. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Take care, eh?